San Francisco right-hander Jeff Samardzija was forced to abandon his start against the Colorado Rockies after throwing an inning on Tuesday night due to stiff shoulder throwing. Samardzija threw 23 pitches in an approximate inning and allowed 3 hits and 2 runs before leaving with the injury. He was replaced by rookie right-hander Dereck Rodriguez, the son of Hall of Famer Ivan Rodriguez, who was making his major league debut. "It is frustrating to have a setback," Samardzija said. "I always want to throw. I always feel like I'm good to throw. Sometimes other people have to intervene and tell you differently. Respect and trust in the people around me. You listen and you go from there." Rodriguez, 25, bought his contract on Monday at Triple-A Sacramento. He was 4-1 with a 3.40 ERA in 9 starts for Sacramento. Rodriguez was originally recruited in the 6th round of the 2011 draft by Minnesota as a fielder. He made the transition to the pitcher 2 years later. Rodriguez allowed 4 runs, 1 earned on 5 hits in 3.1 innings. He was removed after being hit in the right shin by a bat lined by Ian Desmond with 1 out in the 5th.